Alright, so here we have the TELESIN storage bag, a bag that you can put all your action cameras into, and cords and whatever else you have. So this is the box that it comes in, just a simple box, and here's the bag itself that comes in this little plastic. The only branding it has on it is just there where it says TELESIN. This is high quality waterproof PU, which is polyurethane. It has 3 layers of soft velvet inner dividers. So first of all, okay, so they say that it's waterproof. Yes, okay, I could tell by this material that it will be waterproof, but on the side here it's fabric, right? So you got water will be able to get into there. So it's not waterproof. It's probably water resistant to a certain degree. I mean, I wouldn't be submerging this into water like underwater. So yeah, I think it's because it's material here, so it's obviously going to go through. I could be wrong. I don't know. Could be special material. So what do we got here? Okay, so we got our little tea bag, which is not. We got a little dividers here, and they're all done with Velcro. So you can set it up the way you want it. Now the main reason I got it for is because my new Action 5, it comes with this selfie stick, and I just want to make sure that it fits in here. So we'll go through the bag first. So you've got your compartments which you can organize and fix up to the way you want it. You've got these 2 mesh pockets up here. You've got a Velcro tab here which you open, and this flap folds down, and you've got these little sections here which you can put batteries or whatever you want, and of course you've got a mesh big pocket at the back here as well that you can put whatever you want. I got it because I wanted to see if it will fit my Action. So let's deck it out and see if we can. Alright, so first things first, the selfie stick. So we'll put that in, and it fits nicely in there. Secondly, we got the camera. Put that in there. We got the casing to the camera. Now, I don't know about you, but I probably won't even take this with me because I don't need it to do the the side the shorts shots. So I don't know, but it will fit in there as well. But anyway, leave it out for now. And we've got the little accessories. I don't have too many. I've got another pair of these which are in the car at the moment, so it doesn't matter. We can just throw them in here for now. Now we have the batteries for the camera, and I'll just take this one out and I'll put the batteries in here, and I'll make this just a little bit smaller just to fit it in there. And yeah, so that's basically it for this part. Now with this, I can also put it here if I wanted to. Look, I'll put it in anyway, just in case people want to see. So I'll put it in there, and I'll just throw the things just in the middle there. Now I've got my card holder. Just slip it in there. And what else I got? I got my battery pack, external battery backup. This, by the way, is awesome. It's been really good. This 10,000 mAh, and I did a review on this one, and it's just up here on your left or down in the description. And of course your cable. Now you can just throw the cable in there, or you've got your dedicated area on the back which you can put in here or through this thing here, but alright, let's just put it in here for now, and we'll throw this extra or leftover divider and close it. And it closes beautiful. And it comes with this little strap here, which I don't see it lasting for more than a year. And that's it. So what do you think? Do you think it's something that you might need? Now, the reason why I got this is because it looks nice. It does protect because of this PU. It's small, it's compact, and it just fits my stuff that I want to take with me. And also the price, man. You can't beat the price price on this is just ridiculously low. It is quality, right? It's not that it's just a cheap little bag. It is good quality for a bag. So have a look at it for yourselves. Have a little read up on it, and yeah, you can take it from there, I guess. But anyway, so long ways it's 140 millimeters. Width is 145 millimeters, and depth is 60 mil. And it's got 4.5 star ratings on Amazon. So yeah, you can't go wrong. And that's it. We'll catch you on the next one.